Hello, beautiful soul. Let's get happier and improve our life right now. A client, I'm going to call her Sarah, was getting really angry, super worked up over a guest that was coming to stay at her home that weekend. It was getting so intense that it manifested into the right side of her body. It started to lock up and seize up what she described as a Charlie horse on the right side of her body throughout her whole spine. But the beautiful deal is she used this very simple technique, what I call the sigh breath, to completely release the mental and the physical discomfort. And she said it only took her 5 breaths to bring in that centeredness and peace. Wow. And if she started to feel herself go back to those thoughts again, she would just, again, take that sigh breath. And the sigh breath is a combination of a sigh and self-hypnosis. I call it the sigh breath because it's just super easy to remember. We sigh. We know how to sigh. We're going to refine it just a little bit, but just go ahead and join in with me and let's just do a couple of sigh breaths. I like to breathe in through the nose, and sometimes I'll breathe out through the nose or the mouth. Once again, do that sigh breath. And see if you can't feel that the body, it might feel maybe a little bit looser. You might feel a little bit of softening. Hopefully, it feels really good. And with the sigh breath, we want to do a 1-to-2 ratio. So bringing the inhale for a count of 2 would then have you exhaling for the count of 4. If you inhaled for the count of 3, you would exhale for the count of 6. So a 1-to-2 ratio. I like to breathe in through the nose, but you might have a plugged up nose. Go ahead and do it through the mouth. When I'm breathing, I like to imagine that I'm filling up a cup. You would just, of course, fill it up from the bottom. It would just be natural. Well, I like to imagine that I'm filling up my pelvic belly area with the oxygen first. So I fill it up there first. And then on the exhale, a feeling of kind of, I kind of imagine tipping the cup out, tipping the liquid out. So I'm filling it up and then I just pour it out. Let's do that together for the count of 2 and then 4. So breathing in, exhaling, hopefully that felt really good. Let's do that again. Breathe in and then exhale. Let's do that again. Breathe in for the count of 3 and exhale for the count of 6. And oftentimes you don't even really have to pay attention so much. You can kind of feel that sense of breathing in and then exhaling longer. So once again, just do the sigh breath. Breathe in. You can make noise. I like to imagine on the exhale a feeling of things starting to settle and drop and relax. So our next part is I'm going to help you bring in the self-hypnosis. So in other words, when you do the sigh breath, it starts to trigger these positive feelings. that it floods you with a sense of well-being. Just like if you got the can of cat food out and you opened it up and your cat starts to get excited, or you got out, you rattled the treat bag for your dog and they start to salivate. So that the associations that are triggered are super positive, making this tool even more potent and effective. All right, let's do it together and go at your own pace, because for some people, they don't have a big lung capacity. I recommend that. I am not a breath teacher, but I'm going to put in the notes under the video these different tutorials that you can take to um, uh, open up and expand your lung capacity and your ability to breathe more deeply. So once again, do the sigh breath with me. And then on the exhale, just let your eyes close, let your shoulders drop, your body relax. Doing the sigh breath at your own pace. So just doing your best to make them equal. We're going for a relaxed body, a body that drops, neck going super comfortable, super relaxed. Keep doing that sigh breath. And on the exhale, feel things dropping, relaxing, releasing. Once again, do that sigh breath. And on the exhale, let's imagine a beautiful river of light flooding you with feelings of well-being and peace. This is your time to let go, to relax, to feel at ease, to feel good. There's just no reason good enough to not bring in the softness, the peace, the comfort. If you have conditions, problems, issues, you need relaxation even more. So giving yourself this beautiful gift, keep doing that sigh breath. Feel a sense on the exhale of the body settling, dropping, maybe arms getting super relaxed, super heavy. Maybe a feeling of the legs getting super relaxed, super heavy. Take that beautiful inhale and imagine your whole being opening up to receive this soft energy, this peaceful energy, this light feeling, this comfortable feeling. Once again, keep taking those side breaths on the inhale, feeling open to receive the softness, the comfort, the feelings of well-being. On the exhale, feel the body dropping, relaxing, settling, letting go. Let's imagine a beautiful river of light coming from above, like the sun shining on a beautiful day. Feel on the inhale, you open the door like you would for a welcome guest. And it's like, come on in, joyful energy. Come on in, feelings of well-being and peace. So imagining on the exhale, you can feel this river of light filled with infinite, unconditional love, total acceptance for who you are. That everything is right with you. It is normal to be human, to have what we label as failures or mistakes. If you have any conditions in your life, meet them with this beautiful energy of well-being and love. So if you were diagnosed with an illness, if you have pain, if you have debt, if you have made choices that you regret, welcome to the human race. Let's let go of feelings of guilt or shame or not good enough or inappropriate, and just meet your whole being with this energy of unconditional love. Keep doing those beautiful sigh breaths. opening to joyfully and freely receive, you bless the world by receiving. What a gift to be more centered and relaxed from a place of well being. That's where we can make better decisions from a place of centeredness and peace. We can allow in the insights and the wisdom and the clarity and the inspiration. It's the beautiful place where the body can turn on its healing abilities, where it can be at its optimum state to restore and rejuvenate. Because when it's in that fight or flight state, it shuts off that healing and it focuses in on survival. Let's bring that centeredness and peace. Once again, take that beautiful, deep sigh breath. And on the exhale, just feel it flushing out your system, bringing in this settled, comfortable feeling, this feeling of tender, gentle energy in your chest, in your heart, a feeling on the exhale of relaxing, breathing easy, a sense of well being, a feeling of things working out for you. Keep taking those beautiful sigh breaths. And on the exhale, feel the wave of physical relaxation and mental peace flooding the body. You might actually start to feel warmth, or you might feel tingling or a tenderness, a gentleness, an energy of love. But if you don't, no big deal. Welcome to the human race. That with time, the effect of well being will compound as you start to associate these positive feelings with the sigh breath. So, once again, take a beautiful deep breath. And on the exhale, just feel this joyful, gentle, tender energy settle into your being, soak into your bones. Feel yourself feeling loved. All right, blessings and love. If you want to further your ability to do this powerful technique, go to my other playlist, The Joy Shot. And I've got, I think, 60 plus different tutorials in how to do the self-hypnosis technique, the sigh breath, and different ways that you can use it. Blessings and love.